how to make two pages connected in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open, of course, our Canva website right here. And then in this part, let's say, for example, that I want to connect this to pages right here. So currently they are in a different projects. So if I click on this project right here, as you can see, I only have one page. However, I also want to connect this second project in this part. So the next thing that we need to do that is to just click add page right here. And then once we click add page in this part, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen, and then you will see this projects. So just click your projects right there. And then all of your projects inside your account, you will be able to see it right here. So currently, as you can see, these are my projects. So if you go back on our home screen, that is also my projects right there. So you will see that it is right here. So if you want to change it, so let's say, for example, that we want to change it into shared with you, you can also do that. But of course, I'm just going to go here with my projects since this is where my project is. Now, the next thing that we need to do to add it is to just click this one right here. So once you click that, as you can see, we now have connected two pages in Canva. So you can also do that with other projects. So if you have another project right there, you can also do that. So all you have to do is to just click on it, and then you can now add it into your project. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to make two pages connected in Canva.